How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it's snowing. So I thought, what a good idea to go and work on the barn and cut down a tree, because we're putting in a dog kennel and I was told we need to cut down the tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But I need a little help from that thing right there. And it is probably, oh, I don't know, 20 degrees, and it's been sitting, so hopefully we can get it to go. Hopefully, yeah, keys are in it, sweet. I wonder if it'll start. I wonder if it's got a battery. Oh yeah. Please go. Oh, you good thing. Look at that. No problemo. Well, now we just chill out here for a few seconds and wait for it to warm up. We'll head towards the barn. We'll get there eventually. Here's the tree in question, and it's probably gonna have to be cut instead of knocked over. And I don't know a whole lot about cutting trees down, but I do know enough to be really dangerous, so that's good. Okay, well, you're gonna want to make sure that you leave your chainsaw outside in the snow to keep it cold. You don't want it spoiling now. If you hear some screaming in the barn, it's not a family in there that I took off the side of the road and stored. No, it's a goat and chickens. Let's go say hi. What? Oh no, did you get your head stuck in there? Oh no. Is your head stuck? Nope. Never mind. Hi, chickens. It's not a family, just a goat. Whoa. Anyways, back to the chainsaw. Well, she had left in the snow, so that's good. Does it have fuel in it though? Oh yeah, she's got enough to make some damage happen. Sweet. Okay, well, I'm gonna start cutting the base of the tree. Go from there. I'm sure there's a lot of professionals saying, hey, you're doing that wrong. You're probably gonna die. Well, they're probably not wrong. This chainsaw is so freaking dull. Well, it's about the worst chainsaw cut ever. And unfortunately, I'm out of patience. So that's where that thing comes in. Let's just see if we can push it over and cause some real damage to the tree. Hopefully to the tree. Well, that was a huge fail. Okay, well, I guess we got to go back to struggling real hard and cutting the bottom out of that tree. Okay. Hey, so that's real good. Well, I'll start chaining to our saw. Nice. Well, chain just flew off the chainsaw. We're about a quarter of the way through the tree. Sweet. Oh boy. Now what? I guess maybe we got another chainsaw somewhere. Tree's still standing. Not good. Maybe we could try pushing on it again. Maybe it'll do something. Finally got that stupid thing. I ended up spinning the Mini around so it dug the blade in and then pushing real hard. Man, I'm glad this tree's gone because the whole center of it's rotten. Huh. Well, this tree's really big, so I guess now I'm gonna try and shove it across the canal. That's probably the best idea. Probably, yeah, we'll shove it over the canal and drag it into that pit and light it on fire. That's probably a good idea for this tree. Or we'll just drag it into the pit and forget about it until next summer, until it's in our way. And I barely folded in the roof of the barn, just a tiny bit. That was pretty good. I'm actually pretty proud of myself for that one. That was pretty good. I expected a whole lot worse. All right, well, let's see if we can push this thing across the canal and get it out of our way. think the plan now is probably drag it that direction and throw it over there. We can't leave it here, it can't stay in the ditch. So go ahead and I guess we'll just go one side at a time, try and pull that side over, then pull the other side over. At least get it down to somewhere where we can cut it up into smaller bits where I can get the chainsaw fixed and we can cut all the limbs off of it. So that's what we're gonna do. We'll go ahead and we'll get in the Mini and we'll start pulling it back some more. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but it is snowing real good. And we got a big problem. So I guess we'll keep peeling it down. I'm just gonna get back into this thing and kind of shuffle my way over and over and over until the whole thing's at least on this little road right here. And then we'll probably be able to work ourselves back and push it down that hill. Sweet. Well, we got the tree moved at least out of the ditch. Now the question is, do we leave it here or do we drag it off someplace? And probably should drag it off. Maybe we'll get the Land Cruiser or something and see if we can hook a choker around it. I don't know if the Land Cruiser's got what it takes though. Maybe we'll, I don't know, we'll figure something out, but that's a big juniper tree. Looks a little better though by the barn. I'm glad that we moved it because it was all rotten in the center. One big windstorm, that thing was coming down right on top of that thing. Well, I guess we'll keep trying to drag it, because if we can get it up to that top field, there's a burn pile up there. And it would save me a big mess down there. So I guess we'll see if we can struggle some more and drag it all the way up top there. Well, I started pulling limbs off it to try and lighten it up a little bit. Seems to be working out pretty well. I'm gonna try and maybe break a few more of these off with the Mini. Just get it light enough to where I can clamp on it and walk it over to the big burn pile. Giant mess, check. Tree gone, check. Now we just gotta go, and I got it in small enough pieces to where I think we can drag everything off over to that burn pile, one piece at a time. I'm hoping I can get this big piece picked up. Chunker right there, right there. I think that's in our way. I'm honestly pretty impressed with this little thing. I thought I was dead in the water when we had that, when the tree was still up by the barn and my chainsaw jumped the chain. I was like, oh, we're done. But, well, where there's a struggle, there's a way. And we struggled real hard. Come on now, break off. She's getting close, I think. Driveway too, so that's good. Look at that, we're plowing the driveway. Perfect. cold is it up there right now? It's pretty cold here. But it ain't no -20. That's for sure. So I guess I shouldn't be complaining. Well, now about 10,000 more trips over that way, and we'll have her cleaned up. Here's the last of our mess. We'll go ahead and hopefully we can push this whole pile in one shot. Come on now. Or not working. I wonder if we can pick it up. Probably not. So we got our mess cleaned up. It's right there in the background. Anyway, it's snowing. I'm cold. I'm gonna go inside and edit this video, but if you guys liked it, leave a like. Throw it down in the comment section if you like these videos. It's just what I do on the weekend, and we'll get back to doing heavy iron stuff during the week. Catch you later. Oh, and those of you that are wondering, I'm still messing with the stump, but we'll get her later.